In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV so you can stay updated with the latest news and commentary. Let's get started. Fox News is included in YouTube TV's channel lineup in many regions, making it easy to stream live broadcasts directly through the platform. To begin, ensure that your YouTube TV subscription includes Fox News. Most base plans come with access to popular cable networks like Fox News, but if you're unsure, check your channel lineup by visiting the Live tab or searching for Fox News in the app or website. If Fox News isn't available in your plan, you may need to upgrade or adjust your subscription. Once confirmed, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, or mobile device. Navigate to the Live tab, where you'll find a list of all live channels currently airing. Scroll through the lineup or use the search bar to locate Fox News quickly. Click on it to start streaming the live broadcast immediately. If you're using a web browser, go to the YouTube TV website, sign into your account, and follow the same steps to find Fox News under the Live section. You can also add Fox News to your favorites by clicking the star icon next to the channel name. This will make it easier to access the channel directly from the top of your Live tab in the future. For an even more seamless experience, consider downloading the YouTube TV app on your preferred device and signing in. This way, you can watch Fox News live from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Keep in mind that some content on Fox News may be subject to regional restrictions, so availability could vary depending on your location. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope watching Fox News live on YouTube TV is now quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.